Good afternoon, everyone. Me and my Sapu, I mean to say my Akshit Adhiraju, we are welcoming you all. So, my Sapu, actually, this is not his actual name. His actual name is Akshit Adhiraju, but I only call him Sapu. Sapu, what is the full form of Sapu? Sapota. Okay, I gave
Yes,
this
ma'am.
nickname to him. Okay, so though he is in seventh, but today he is going to tell you about French Revolution. It is not at all a part of his social studies, but then also he will try to explain you about French Revolution. Sapu, can we start?
Yes, ma'am. We
Okay,
can
so
start.
what do you mean by French Revolution? Why it took place and when?
So, ma'am, French Revolution took place because the because France was divided into three classes, and the third class were very poor, consisting of farmers and peasants. And since France was a little economically low at that time, they increased taxes.
Acha, then
And
what, as sorry to interrupt you, as you said third, है ना? What about
yeah,
first and second? Can you explain about first and second level?
I'll explain about all the three classes.
Very good.
So basically, so France was divided into three classes. Nobility, which consisted of the royal family and the royal family's close friends. And then comes clergy, um, which consisted of the priests. And then came the farmers and peasants.
Okay. So not only king and their close family members or friends, but that commanders also, है ना?
Yeah,
Commanders.
consisting of the army also.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
The
Okay.
first and second classes didn't need to pay tax. Only the third class had to pay.
Why?
Because they declared themselves superior to the third class
Okay.
and considered themselves as God. So
Okay, okay. So you mean to say that first class, they were treating themselves like a divine power, right?
yes, yes.
Okay. And second class,
The
clergy?
second class consisted of priests, so they were also given the liberty.
Okay. So why? Please, would you like to explain about second class, that priest?
So second class consisted of priests who considered themselves superior and told that they are the spiritual guide for the third class people.
Yeah, yeah. They are the spiritual guardian. So they were also not accountable, है ना?
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
okay. So, okay. So now please carry on. Carry on about third class.
So the third class mainly consisted of farmers. 98% of them were farmers, and they didn't get really high salary, and taxes kept on increasing. So it resulted as loss for them, and 60% of those farmers didn't even have their own land.
Yes,
They
correct.
didn't even get profit out of what they were doing for the first and second class people.
Because of that, floor war also took place,
Yeah.
right? Because of that. Okay. So, can you tell me about that king of France, and what was the role of king in that French Revolution?
So he was crowned as king in 1774. His name was King Louis, and
Okay,
his wife was Marie Antoinette.
Marie Antoinette.
They
Okay,
ruled France for many years.
and at what time he got declared as king? Sorry, in what age? His age was just 20 years.
Yeah.
Okay,
Hmm.
20 years. Okay. So, um, how it took place in the form of war? In which century? In which century?
In the 17th century.
17th century. And who? And this age, this era was called as
The blood revolution of France.
no. This 17th century, this era is called by a specific name. What is the name? Enlightenment.
Yeah, the Enlightenment period.
Yeah, right.
Ah.
Okay. So, can you tell me about name philosopher or mathematician or scientist? Because without any special people, and that any revolution can't took any place, right? Someone should guide them or someone should lead the
So it
revolution.
started with Galileo Galilei discovering Jupiter's moons rotating around Jupiter. So he applied the same logic for Earth rotating around the sun. But the Bible said that other things rotated around the Earth, but it was actually the other way around. Earth rotated around the sun. But the first and second class people, they opposed this. They said, how can you, how dare you go against the Bible? So they imprisoned him for life. So people like Isaac Newton and Rene Descartes came forward. Isaac Newton um, discovered the three laws, and then Rene Descartes also once famously quoted, "I think, therefore I am."
Yeah, and he was a father of modern
Also known as father of modern philosophy.
philosophy.
Yeah,
Actually, he was a great mathematician and philosopher, है ना? And
yeah,
he is known as father of modern
modern
philosophy.
philosophy.
Okay. So now, after that, all these things, next, what
Huh.
happened?
So in 1789, the citizens started opposing and protesting on July 14th. And this continued from 1789 to 1799, a whole decade of the blood revolution of France.
Right, right, understood. Okay, and where they went, what they wanted to form that third level people. I
The
heard
third
that they
layer
wanted to
people,
declare their own government. Is it
yeah, once they went to the court, and even the first class and second class nobility and clergy were also there. So the third class peasants and farmers, they said that we want to make our own government. Immediately, the nobility and clergy, they immediately locked the doors.
I
So
think a king
all
gave
the,
order to their soldiers lock the
yeah,
door. Hmm.
yeah.
Okay.
So all the peasants and farmers had lined up in a tennis court nearby, just 20 kilometers away from France.
Right, right. And few that two wings also came out from that revolution. What were they?
Yes, left wing and right wing. Left
Very
wing
good.
and right wing.
Yeah, left wing. Acha. So, what is the meaning of left wing and right wing?
Left wing and right wing kind of differentiated people. Left wing, the citizens who are differentiated in a wing. Left wing, as in farmers and peasants, and right wing, as in the most superior ones.
Yeah, yeah. And a few more words came out from this French
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Revolution. What were they?
So the words are equality, questioning and observation, and reasoning. These terms came out in the French Revolution
French
and were
Revolution.
used many times in our Indian Constitution also.
Yeah, exactly, exactly. So, that French Revolution started for democracy, right?
Ah,
For democracy, and it spread out for the other countries also, to other countries
yeah.
also, right? Okay, so can you explain about Mary Antony, who was the wife of King Louis?
So Mary Antoinette was the wife of King Louis. King Louis and her ruled France for many years, and she wasn't a very good person. She she always mocked the situation of the third class people, of the peasants and farmers. She once also said, if they can't have bread, feed them cakes, as a joke.
Right.
And that caused a lot of anger in many people. And that was a very bad statement and a very rude statement. She was not a very good person,
And
and
she
she
was
was
not loyal
actually
to her
very
family
rich.
also.
Yeah.
है ना? And one more,
She
yeah, carry on, carry on.
she had I wanted to say where she had come from, which part of the world she had come from. She
Hmm.
had come from a rich family in Austria.
Yeah, exactly. And one more thing that I read that she was placing every year clothes. So, what was the exact number?
300 clothes per year.
Yeah,
300.
exactly.
That's a
300.
huge number,
Huge number.
especially considering that there are 365 days. That is
Exactly.
a lot of clothes.
Right, right. And uh, for her walk path, she ordered to make a garden also.
Yeah. While others didn't even have land of their own, she asked for like a lot of land just for a small garden. Just for
Ex-
a garden, so much she asked.
right. So she
Meanwhile,
expend.
the third class people didn't even have their own land.
So she expend a huge amount for her personal expenses, है ना?
Yeah.
And
She and the king were getting richer and richer, but the third class were getting poorer.
exactly. So finally, when gate was locked through soldiers, so peasant farmers and other people. Actually, this revolution started by women, है
Yeah.
ना? By women. They started walking. They started walking. I think 16 kilometers they walked, and slowly
Mm.
people also joined them. Na? And
Yeah.
when they
And
reached.
this started a lot of confidence among the third class people. Many
Exactly.
people
And
joined them.
when they reached near the fort, immediately they saw that, oh, that door was locked.
Hmm.
So they gathered in
So
a
they
tennis court.
gathered in a tennis court.
They gathered and they said ki we will make our own government. So finally King Louis and Mary Antony, they left from the place and they went to Paris.
Yes.
है ना? So like how we are doing conversation, it was not easy. Actually, we are just, है ना, talking about
Yeah.
French Revolution so easily, so quietly, but
Uh,
reality was just opposite. Na? That
yeah.
starvation, blood, poverty, है ना, problems. Even
Mhm.
those people, grade 3 people, they were not having right for education also.
Yeah.
है ना? They can't enroll themselves for college or for other universities also for
Mm.
higher education.
Main
So
priority was given only to the first and second classes.
exactly. Only first and second level people like a king, their family, their close friends, relatives, and that priest, they were enjoying the life. And peasant farmer means grade 3 people, they were working hard, though they were not getting anything. Na? No
The
liberty.
first and second class, they said that we are only your spiritual guide.
Hmm.
We are only everything for you. But in reality, the third class people were only doing everything.
Yeah.
So
So third class people, they were also previously, they were also thinking that yes, we have done lots of mistake in our last life. That's why we are facing all these things. You know? So Rene Descartes, he came out for this statement that I think therefore I am, है ना?
Yes,
मैं
ma'am.
सोच सकता हूँ इसलिए मैं यहाँ पर हूँ, है ना? Because that for natural
Yes, ma'am.
phenomena also, है ना? Priests they were telling it's
Yes, ma'am.
because of God mood, है
God.
ना? है ना? God is deciding for all these things. So Rene Descartes and Sir Isaac Newton and many more, they said no.
Many important figures
Yeah, many important figures.
were
They said,
opposing.
yeah, they opposed and they said no. In behind all these natural phenomena, actually scientific reasons are there, right? So, how would you like to conclude this conversation?
I just wanted to say that so many people died in that revolution. So much, it was so unfair for the third class people. But they fought. They fought through it, and they got their independence.
Yes,
So, so one thing we can learn from them is that everyone should always fight for equality.
fight for
That's
equality.
what I can declare from this.
Yes,
That's what I can declare
uh,
from this.
discrimination or
Yeah.
है ना, these things should not be happen, है ना?
Mm.
ये सारी चीजें तो बिल्कुल
And nobody can just call themselves superior like how the first and second class people did. You have
exactly
to prove yourself
prove
rather than just
yourself.
going and
Exactly.
saying that I am your spiritual guide.
Yes, prove yourself. Either king or priest, they have to prove themselves. And now, if you are
Yes, ma'am.
capable, if you are capable, definitely go ahead. But just
Yes, ma'am.
because of that religion or that tradition, it's coming from years and years, we have to follow. That is not so correct.
Yeah.
Na?
And the thing is, democracy is the best way of ruling because in that people have a say. That is much better than random people just declaring themselves as spiritual guide.
Correct. Correct. Very true. So, dear all, I think you got clarity about French Revolution. Please shower your blessings on my support. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone.